I'm going to show you how easy it is to duplicate any ad in the world from any brand within 2 minutes. You don't even need to have an advertising background or a graphic design background, and you can basically copy ads that are already working for the top brands that you basically know. Alright, so this is PotionAds. If I go on to the ad research area over here, what this allows you to do is to search live ads from many different brands all over the world as they are running and also in the past, right? So you can just copy stuff that has worked in the past. All right. If you sell anything online, if you sell anything in person, you can also categorize. So for example, if I'm only interested in jewelry or watches, I can also create this for jewelry or watches. All right. So for example, I'm really interested in this ad, and I think this is a very beautiful ad done by this brand right here. I want to basically copy this style, but I want to create it for my own earrings, for example. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save this to my collection. Okay. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to push this to the factory. Okay. So I want to select these ones over here. I'm gonna push it to the factory and select an existing project. So I have the reference image that I have over here, and then I'm going to go and get my product. So I'm selling earrings. So I'm selling these star earrings, for example. So I'm going to just download these star earrings. Okay, I'm going to save this image. And then I go back to PotionAds and I'm going to upload my product image over here. Okay, you see the magic really soon. Okay, generate. This is an image, is a reference image of a jewelry photo ad. Generate me an image of these star earrings in the reference. Okay, I'm gonna select a ratio of 9:16, 4K, and I'm gonna create 3 different variations of this photo. What the AI will do is it will take my product image over here and I'm gonna put it into the specific ad over here. So let's take a look after it's generated. And you can see within a few seconds or so, I basically generated a ready to go image with my own product and within the style itself. Of course, if I want to change this text over here, I can just tell the AI to basically change it and it's going to change it for me. All right, so this is how fast you can basically get to market. You can basically copy the ads of very, very big brands, of brands that have been running for a long time. And then you can basically use the ads that they have been converting and use it for yourself. All right. So the reason why this works is because if this brand over here has been running this ad for a while, it means it is making money. Otherwise, they are not going to be running this ad. Okay, so I'm going to give another example over here. So I really like this ad that I've saved over here. And I'm going to push it to the factory. Right, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to push it to my existing project over here. And you can see I've uploaded my reference over here. Afterwards, I'm going to upload my product as well. So my product is a Nivea lotion over here. So the first image is a reference ad I want to recreate. The second image is a product image of a lotion I sell. Generate me a photo ad similar to my reference with my product. Alright, and then I'm gonna create a maybe a 4x5. I'm gonna create 3 variations right here. Alright, and so you can see the AI has basically created 3 variations of a product photo image that I can potentially could run right now. Right, so obviously if you want to give it more information, this doesn't look too good, but the rest look okay, and I think you can potentially run it. But you can see you can basically create any type of image that you want, right? As long as you have a reference, you can create a similar image, and so you don't need to have a photo studio and stuff like that. You can literally just go and search ads that other brands or your competitors have been running, right? You can even save those brands into over here. You can basically save them and you can come back to them every time you want to go and look at the ads that other people are running. And then afterwards you can save them and you also can push them to the factory. You can duplicate them, you can replicate them within the app itself. All right. So hopefully this is interesting to you guys. If you want to try PotionAds, we have a offer down below. So please do check it out.
90% of dog owners miss this early warning.